Hi everyone, I'm Zhena. I'm the founder and master tea blender at clubmagichour.com. And this is Ashley Proffitt. She's my assistant blender and she's a former mixologist, and she has made some really fun tea-infused tea cocktails for your celebratory moments. And you can also make any of these mocktails as well.
Absolutely.
So today we're making bee's knees. What's a bee's knee?
A bee's knee.
Well, it was, okay, so
question.
the woman who survived the Titanic is the one who came up with this recipe. I don't believe everything you read on the internet, and don't believe me, but I think that's where it came from.
Molly Brown?
Is it Molly Brown? Yeah, this is her recipe. I think I read that. Anyway, I'm sorry if it's not true, but isn't that a good story? Okay, so we're making bee's knees with Citrine Cleanse.
Yes.
And Citrine Cleanse is a detoxifier, and it has turmeric and orange and amazing lemongrass and all sorts of antimicrobials. So you can drink this. It's high in ginger as well. So when you drink it, it's anti-inflammatory. It's amazing for digestion. If you're getting a stomach bug or anything, you drink a cup of this. It's incredible, and it's fantastic for any type of digestion issues. And so that is the Citrine Cleanse, and we infused it. Tell us what you did here.
Okay, so I made a honey syrup with the Citrine Cleanse, and to do that, you put half a cup of honey and half a cup of water in a little pot, and you put it on to boil, and then you add about 2 tablespoons of the Citrine Cleanse, and you boil that off for maybe 5 to 10 minutes until it kind of gets thick, simmers down a bit, and then you strain it, and it's ready to go.
Oh, good. Wow, cool. Okay.
Yeah.
And so show us what to do.
Okay, well, I've got my citrine honey here. This is 2 ounces for 2 drinks.
Okay. Ooh, that looks potent. Gorgeous.
And we've got our lemon juice, which is 3/4 of an ounce per drink. And then we're gonna add our gin.
Okay, so this is a gin cocktail. So gin is strong, and gin is also the most, there's so many herbs in gin, so it's kind of an herbalist cocktail.
Totally.
And I don't drink it very often. I'm not as crazy about the flavor of gin because I don't like necessarily the flavor of juniper berries. So
You can always leave the gin out and add sparkling water to any cocktail. I think it makes it nice.
absolutely. And the goal with these cocktails is to show you that you can have incredible health benefits and really healthy alternative mocktails or cocktails. And our mission at Magic Hour is to connect the world through tea ceremony. And this is much more of a ceremonial way to imbibe than just throwing some gin in a glass with some ice.
Totally.
Right?
Absolutely. All right, now we're gonna shake this.
This is my favorite part. Isn't she cute? Did I do it that well? I didn't, did I, John? I did? Okay, I was much louder. You're like graceful, and I was like, oh yeah. I jumped up and down with it and ran around in circles.
I've had lots of practice.
Yeah, you've been a mixologist. I have not. Okay.
And then we have our floral ice cubes. If you
Okay,
would like to do the honor.
these flowers are edible flowers from a local female farmer. We support women-owned businesses and women-owned farms, and I froze the flowers into a circular ice cube holder. I was like, okay, watch the glass break. And this one is,
There we go.
graceful, right? And this one is chamomile, and look at those. Can you believe nature makes such beauty? Okay, there we go.
You can do this with any ice cube mold.
Yeah, you don't need to have the fancy ones. My cousin went to Bevmo and got those. They're pretty amazing. That is so pretty. I have to take a picture. Oh my God, where's my camera? Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, okay, that one's obviously mine.
And bees love flowers, so
Oh my
why
God.
not add a little decoration?
Those are so beautiful. So just summarize really quick what goes into it.
We have a citrine honey syrup,
Aw.
gin, and lemon juice. It's pretty easy.
Oh, it's so beautiful. It makes me want to cry. Look how gorgeous. Okay. Cheers to your health, darling.
Cheers.
Oh, that's my favorite one.
Ooh, oh my gosh.
Wow. So you get the ginger, the turmeric, the lemongrass, even the carrot.
I'm surprised it works so well.
Honestly, it's incredible. Oh my God.
Yeah, the turmeric makes it nice and dark.
I mean, you're getting the anti-inflammatory, and turmeric cleans the liver. So it's like a...
And honey's great too if you use a local honey
Yeah, absolutely.
for allergies.
Yeah, and we have Beekeeper's Daughter on our website as well as Savannah Bee. This is the acacia honey. When the Tupelo's in stock, it is bar none the best honey for tea on the planet. Okay, well, oh my God, you knocked it out of the park, girl.
Thank you.
Oh, and the nasturtium, it smells...
Oh my God, I have to put that down.
Yeah, will it get us drunk? Just kidding. Just so you know, any moment of your life can be elevated by intention, and creating a beautiful array of nature's offerings for even a cocktail hour, because we say at Magic Hour, that Magic Hour is the new happy hour. And so you can get your health benefits, you can delight your senses, you can create more beauty in your daily moments, all by having an intention to make beautiful things that are healthy. So thank you for making our recipes.
So of course, my pleasure.
Absolutely. So we will see you at clubmagichour.com. Here's to your health.